I'm gonna try again. I can't wake Mary. I hear her footsteps upstairs. I can't wake her. Damn it. Her footsteps. I don't know why she won't come down. I've never touched hers. Anyways, left her note. Mary, I attempted to wake you after 4 a.m. Basement flooding. Sweetie, you scream at me. I left it open for an hour. You have back shed open 2+ weeks and garage since barbecue was brought upstairs. I tried to unflood, but I can't do garage within another pair of hands. You won't wake up. I've tried. It is now 4:57 a.m. Almost an hour banging and yelling. I can help put the door down and need your help by pushing the button. Grr. I put up your items since water's coming in. Wake up, please, and stop blocking my emergency exit. Are your friends insane or stupid? Also, camera is now showing my sign. I have my own Wi-Fi. Tell them to grow up. And if you wake this up, I'll help. Well, you know what? Sign's there. There's nothing I can do. She won't wake up. I'm gonna go try and save my stuff. Ew! God, that's gross. Okay, now that was not her friends. That was Mary that did this. She's just... You know what? Mary, I am trying to save your stuff. Would you please wake up? I need you to click the garage button door so I can close it and clamp it. If you're awake, stomp on the floor 2 times or something. I'm offering to help you, Mary. She's drunk. I don't know why I even said that. Oh. I tried, Mary. God. Maybe she's not awake. Maybe I heard things. Baby girl, puppy. Kitty, 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 kitty. Okay, just want to make sure you're all right, darling.